Hi everybody, how are you? It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here to share hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. Each Sunday she uploads a theme or a prompt, and you do a 2-page layout. So we are on week 4, which was winter theme, and here's mine. So what I did here is the paper on the background is some paper I made over Christmas. And these images were out of this book that Diamond gave me, and I thought they were just perfect for this. And then I just found some snowflake stickers. Oh, and these snowflakes here and here and here and here and here and here are upcycled from a Christmas card. These little stickers are some I had. I had only 2 of those left, so I threw them on here. And I had 3 little snowmen left, so I put them on there. Most of my winter stuff and Christmas stuff is packed away already, so I happen to have just a few stickers on my sticker column. So I used what I had. I think it turned out really good. Let it snow. No, we don't. I'm in Wisconsin, and we've only maybe had it snow 6 times, and 6 out of the 6, 5 were really light, and then we got like 12.5 inches. And right now I am seeing grass in the middle of February, which is very unusual. I'm waiting for the big plunge of a snowstorm again, because my birthday's in March, and I rarely have grass for my birthday. And the one time we did, we had outside having a fire, wearing short sleeve, and then a week later we got 12 inches, 13 inches, a lot of snow, like within days of my birthday one year. So I don't put any of my winter stuff away. Boots, hat, gloves, none of that. Nope, too early yet. Until later. Now, craft-wise, yeah. Okay, I'll show you again. I love a cottage like that in the woods somewhere. I want to be cool with a hot tub somewhere too, so I can sit in a hot tub and watch the wilderness. So, as always, thanks for watching. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.